Hey guys, this is how much YouTube pay for 1.5 million views on YouTube. Before I give you the whole details of everything, I want you to drop a comment in the comment section for how much you think that YouTube pay a channel for a 1.5 million views, and drop a comment in the comment section too on the kind of niche that got this amount of money, right? So I wrote it down here with me, so I'm going to kind of read through. So a channel got over 1.5 million views and got 97,000 watch hour. 97,000 watch hour. That's like a lot of watch hour. A lot of times people watch the video to the end. That same channel got over 4.9k new subscribers from just one video. 4,000 new subscribers from just one video. And the audience retention on that particular video is over 45%. That means people watched the video up to half. For example, if the video is like 10 minutes, a 10-minute video, people watch at least 4 minutes and 30 seconds. And that's very, very good for a channel that wants to make money and has a high and want to make a lot of money and audience retention, right? So people watch the video up to 45%, right? And how much this channel made? $7,200 on YouTube. $7,201.89 is what the channel made in 1.5 million views. And guess the niche. I hope you'll drop a comment in the comment section. The niche that made this video, that made this amount of money, is the finance content and niche. So this is your sign for you to go into finance content, go into creating finance videos, go into analyzing finance content and finance niches on YouTube so you can make money. If you want to know the contents, the niches that can pay a lot of money on YouTube, I drop the link in the comment section in the description actually, where you can see content that can pay a lot of money and content that can pay the least amount of money on YouTube, so you can hop onto those channels now. And this content, those 1.5 million views made them roughly over $7,000. And this is why they were paid 7k dollars. One, because the audience retention was very high, which is 45%. People that watch the video watched for a very long time, which is also 45%. So which is very, very good for a monetized channel that's going to make money. And another thing that made their pay extremely high was the countries, because the country that watch their videos are mostly in the United States. Like I said before, United States has a high purchasing power. So United States being those that watch your videos is extremely good for a growing YouTube channel, right? Another thing that made their videos very, very make a lot of money was the people that watch that within 18 to 35 years. That's why the content made a lot of money on YouTube, right? So make sure you focus on one, your thumbnail, two, your title, three, your niche has to be a very nice niche. Four is your audience retention, which is 45% and above. And that thing is the country that watches your video. And that thing is the age that watch your video. These whole factors determine to how viral your video can go, how good your video can go, and how much money you are likely to make from a particular video. And I know if you want to see more videos like this, for me to analyze content or how much people made in a video, do want to drop a comment in the comment section and like this video, and do want to subscribe, so I'll make more and more videos on how to make money and how much YouTube paid certain content creators or certain YouTube niches, how much YouTube paid certain niches, and then I'll tell you guys here on my channel, right? So if you want to make money, a lot of money on YouTube, make sure you pick a nice content, a nice niche, which is finance niche is the best, or making money niche is the best. Then make sure your videos are very straightforward, very straight to the point, so you can make at least 50% audience retention or 60% audience retention. If you're able to make up to 60% audience retention on YouTube, you're making a lot of money. Like, you're making a shitload of money if you're making up to 70 to 60% audience retention, right? Then your countries have to be around the US, Canada, all these big countries, France, Spain, all these countries that have a high purchasing power on YouTube. Then you also have to focus on the age. Those watching your age, if they're around 10 years, 11 years, you will not make money. Understand? Or around 50 to 60 years, you don't make money. So focus on those that their age limit is between 18, 19 to 35, because those are the ones that have high purchasing power on YouTube. Understand? So your RPM and CPM, obviously, like I always say before, your RPM and CPM always determine on the content you're making, right? So your CPM is cost per mil, which is how much advertisers are going to pay for your video. So if your video is a finance video, it will obviously be high automatically. So your RPM is how much YouTube going to pay you for that video, right? So after that one, I have to focus mainly on keeping your audience there and making sure that your audience are within a nice age limit, which is 18 to 35 so that your RPM can be extremely high. So that's all on how much YouTube paid for 1.5 million views. And I will see you guys on another video. Do want to like, comment, and subscribe so I can be eligible, so I can also make money on YouTube, and I'll share my YouTube revenue with you guys and the details and every other thing. And I will see you guys on another video.